Alam niyo, curious ako. Ano bang nangyayari sa mga blind date? Well, that's why nag-decide ako na mag-set up ng isa para sa kaibigan ko. Kasi ayoko may nalulungkot akong kaibigan. Anyways, ang tanong, is meron bang nagkakatuluyan sa ganito?
Okay,
I guess
so ngayon,
we will all find out.
pick-upin natin yung kadate ng kaibigan ko. Siyempre, ayoko kasi nalulungkot mga kaibigan ko. Kaya, siyempre, ako na yung gumagawa ng paraan para maging masaya. So, kung gusto mo akong maging kaibigan, text me at... Excited ka na ba, te?
Oh, God.
Moga.
Excited? I don't know. Nagpapawisan.
Parang di ka nakatulog, ah.
Oh my God.
Parehas pa kayo nag-story one time na nag-gym kayo, ah.
Ay, totoo ba?
Ayan. Magkasabay pa.
Oo.
Sabi ko, marehas nag-ready to, ah. Ano ka? Date naman ang gagawin nila, hindi wrestling.
So ito yung plano. Mauna kami sa restaurant kasama si ate, and then tatago ko muna siya. Yung darating si Marshall, iba-blindfold ko, and then papasok si ate, naka-blindfold na. Tapos i-set up namin lahat. Tapos, bahala na sila.
Ngayon, parehas kayo naka-blindfold. And then, the moment na sinabi kong take off your blindfold, meron kayong 5 minutes para magkwentuhan, get comfortable.
Ay, wala bang electric fan?
Wala na, okay lang yan.
Ang
Magpainit
init eh.
Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na?
Hinga ng malalim. Both of you, inhale. Exhale.
Oh, yan na.
Ito muna, para icebreaker. Ate, magsalita ka nga, mag-hello ka lang.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Oy! Okay, on 3, 2, 1, you can take off your blindfold.
Ang hirap ng blindfold ko.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Marshall, by the way.
Syra. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hi. Mainit.
Mainit
sorry.
actually. Pero kinakabahan ako actually.
Actually, why?
Ha?
Bakit?
Hindi na ako sanay kasi to be honest.
Hindi sanay. Why? How long has it been?
Probably a year and so. Yeah.
Ako naman ako sa'yo kung init.
Hindi, okay lang yan. At least I know that you're fine there.
Oh, thank you. How was it? Did you drive here?
Yeah, I did. It took me like at least 40 minutes to get here.
It
was-
Where did you park?
Right there.
There? Saan
Yeah.
nakita ko na kanina? No? Okay.
Oh, you were there.
No, I was right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I
I
didn't
was
see
sitting
you.
right there, so.
I didn't see
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Hi. Bakit?
Wala lang. Kinakabahan lang ako.
Bakit? No,
Ha?
it's fine. It's just a chat, I guess. So, yeah. Hi.
My God. Para akong bata, bumalik ako sa pagkabata. Namumula ba ako?
Bakit? Yeah, a little bit. And probably I am too.
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah.
Like you're having a...
Napilitan ka ba?
Ha? Hindi
Napilitan ka
naman.
ba?
Actually, hindi. To be honest. Kasi syempre, yun nga, nanggaling ako sa long term. You as well?
Yes.
Yeah?
How long was it?
Probably 7 years. Mga
7
ganon.
for me too.
7 for you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess 7 years is really
7 is
bad
a
luck
thing.
for
Yes.
most relationship.
7 years, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's, I guess, it's more than a year. A year for me as well.
A year as well. Filipino then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you tried dating other ones?
I
after?
mean, not really because to be honest, nung nag-break kami nung ex ko, I was more focused on myself again. So I was trying to do the things that I was not able to do before. Because most of my time binigay ko sa kanya. So it was really hard, but I was able to move on. But it's okay.
But would you say you're okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
How about you?
Yeah,
You moved on
I
as
can
well?
say yes.
Yeah?
I could say I'm good. I'm ready. That's why I'm here.
So I had everything set up to the point na lahat na magsaserve sa kanila magtatanong kung magjowa ba sila. Siyempre, kung makikita ka lalaki at babae sa isang table na mukhang nag-date, mapapatanong ka talaga. Di ko alam, pero nakakakilig kasi yung mag-reaction nila.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Ha? Hindi
Kuya,
hindi pa
excited
naman.
ka?
Hindi pa naman.
Excited
Talking
ka.
stage lang.
Thank you.
Tattoos too.
I love tattoos.
Yeah?
Hello po, mahal
Hello.
kayo Kening Bale. To start you off po, here's your drinks po. Kape po, para sa puso niyo pong kabado. At ito po, ube coco latte with the perfect sweetness. And ito po, straw. Share na lang po kayo. Magjawa po kayo, di ba?
Ha?
Magjawa po kayo.
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi pa. Masyado kayo mabibilis, ha?
Parang gusto niyo pag alis namin, kami na. Kayo ah.
Here you go po.
Thank you.
Enjoy po. Sana pagbalik ko po sa dessert kayo na.
Talagang ano ka, napupush ka. Pinupush ka talaga. You wanna try this one first?
Yeah.
Ano? Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and try it. How is it? It's good?
It's
Really
good. It's like a dessert talaga.
Yeah.
Sorry, I put my ano.
Huh? It's
You
okay.
want me to take it?
No, it's okay. I'll try it.
Sorry.
Hindi ako mahihain.
Ay, ganun.
Hindi ako maselan na
Ay,
yun.
ganun ba? Sorry.
It's good. It's sweet.
Parang talaga dessert. I like the coconut. It's
Yeah.
good. It's pretty good. You like sweet stuff?
I tried to, lessen it.
You wanna try the coffee?
Yeah, go ahead.
Since
You
this
go
looks
ahead
good.
first.
You a coffee person? You like
yeah, yeah.
coffee?
I drink
do you
like
like-
coffee every morning before I go to work. For me, I would say
That's good.
parang tubig na lang siya.
Yeah, for me too. But I
It
don't
doesn't
like black
really
coffee.
do anything anymore.
I like coffee too, but I don't like black. This
Yeah?
is good. This is
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Can I try?
Yes. It's really good.
Sorry.
I like it. It's a good amount of sweetness.
Wow, same straw yan ah.
Siyempre! Shh! Huwag kang maingay dyan.
Anong lasa ng kape?
Matamis pre. Sobra.
I'm just gonna ask, how's the drinks po?
It's really
It's
good.
really good.
Oh,
It's really
kasi
good.
sarap po ng pag-uusap niyo, no?
That's so cute.
Okay guys, sorry to interrupt.
Oh.
Sorry sa interrupt. So nakikita nyo yun nandyan sa may poll, mayroon dyan mga letters.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Ngayon, di ba inas ko kayo
Mm.
ng mga question na gusto nyo i-ask sa isa't isa? I mean, other way around. Yung si Zaira, bibigyan kanya ng question na gusto mo i-ask si Zaira. I-ask mo kay Zaira. Mga ganon. Ngayon, naka-shuffle yan. Hindi nyo alam kung alin yun yung ginawa niyang isa't isa.
Okay.
Go ahead, ask each other question.
Like go first?
Go first.
Okay.
Go first.
Do you like dogs?
I do.
Ah.
I do have two technically two dogs, but the other one, it's in my ex.
That's
And
okay.
then
I love
golden
dogs too.
doodles. Yeah.
It's
Do you
funny.
have one?
It's with my ex.
Okay. So same thing.
Yeah, I know. So it's like so I can only just see in pictures. So
Okay, I'm gonna ask the question, but I don't know if I should ask.
why?
Cause, okay, lights on or lights off?
Off.
Lights off?
Off. Off for me. I feel like.
But dim light.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
I
Sure?
guess. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ano na?
Ano lang yan, icebreaker lang yun. Other than that, wala naman ibang masyadong ano dyan sa question na.
Icebreaker lang,
Icebreaker
okay.
pala yung matindi ka.
Grabe naman tong
Grabe naman.
icebreaker mo, pre.
So now, andito yung darating yung mga desserts for you
Okay.
guys. Bigyan mo lang sila ng isang spoon.
Isang spoon? Sige, no problem.
No problem.
No problem, pre. The dad is already like,
Po, sorry to interrupt po.
That's okay.
Here's our tibok-tibok po, Kapampangan signature dessert.
okay.
Tibok-tibok para sa puso niyong tumitibok.
Oh my god. Why did you sign up for this?
You did as well.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Okay, lagyan na lang
Or the
natin.
same.
Lagyan na lang natin sa gitna. God, it's so pretty.
kind of reminds me of tofu.
A tofu?
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it
It
does.
looks like tofu.
Hindi na.
Here, ako na. I want you to get the first bite.
What?
Here.
Okay.
Get the first bite.
So
How's it?
good.
Yeah?
It's so good. Here.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Kind of reminds me of What's that dessert? I forgot.
Is it kanin?
Yeah.
Like a kanin?
Yeah.
Like bibingka?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tastes like that.
Yeah, it reminds me
And then
of that.
with the
because of
coconut on
topping,
the top.
It's this one though. Like, what is it?
It's really good.
It's pretty
Wait.
good. I'll put it on the side.
Dessert na agad yung inumpisahan natin. Yung bang ano dapat to? Pang last dapat?
Ano ba to? Is this sweet?
I think so. Ha?
Yan lang ang point ko.
Ay, ikaw ba Ay, sorry po.
Nagreklamo ka pa. Wala nga tayong ginis.
Sorry po.
Huwag mo reklamo.
It's good. Like, I was just here like last week. Was it last week? Yeah, I think that was last week. Like the lobster, the seafood and everything. It's good.
Do you love seafoods?
I do. Wala akong allergic sa kahit na anong pagkain.
That's good.
Ang hindi ko lang kinakain ang palaya.
Nah, okay.
Wait, you do
No,
eat
I
ang
like.
palaya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I do. Yeah. I have no allergies either, so it's pretty good.
It's good. Kakasundo tayo dyan.
You love food?
I do.
Yeah. You're a foodie, would you say?
Huh?
Ay, sorry. Oh.
Huwag naman, wait lang ulit. Dapat gusto mo.
Oh,
Ay,
hindi,
dapat masabay?
Ako na ma'am.
Dapat sabay kayo, sabay.
Ay, sorry.
Sabay ba?
Ano ba yan? Okay.
Dali. Sandali lang ha. Okay.
Ayos.
Ready?
Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Okay, yeah. Happy?
Okay, you can take out one question.
One question.
Question.
Okay. Yes, boss.
Like a tissue.
How's the food po?
It's pretty good.
It's really good.
Yes.
Ikaw po kayo?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Bakit ganun yung sagot ng isa? Hindi pa. Tapos yung isa tumatawa lang. Bakit? By the end of this date pa magkakaroon ng sila? Pero puputulin muna natin dito para ma-sink in natin yung kilig. Kasi hindi kasya sa isang video. Kung hindi, magiging isang Netflix special to. YouTube lang tayo. Abangan nyo yung part 2. Hehe.
Pre, yung tropa natin may Pyrobites daw, pre. Kung lang ka lang nagka-Pyrobites yan. Pero aya ng aya. Mag-skydiving, tapos ngayon nagka-Pyrobites, palibasa may kausap na babae. Scared daw siya.